learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Every year on Buddha's birthday, a special festival is held in Tofan, Yaoli County. The Matsu tournament started off as a lantern competition, but no one could settle on a winner. They tried again on Matsu's birthday, but still wound up without a winner. For the third time, the festival was held on Buddha's birthday, and it seemed to have stuck. Ever since then, it's turned into one of the 12 biggest Hakka festivals. Every year, the activities change, but some things remain the same. Traditional Hakka food and a celebratory parade.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And in this month of May, we're taking you to different places around 苗栗。你非常熟悉的 Leo。
对，我的故乡。我们今天就来去苗栗头份。
哦，头份就是头份嘛。
对。
有什么样的庆典呢？
新月半文化节。
新月半是4月半吗？
不是4月8
啦，对不对？ Okay, so according to the lunar calendar, on the 4th month and the 8th day, there's a festival.
4月8号就是我们的佛祖诞辰。
Oh, it's the Buddha's birthday according to the lunar calendar. Wow, so there's got to be a lot of festivals. 一定有很多庆典啦。
他们那天会比赛花灯。
花灯不是元宵节吗？
对呀，其实
已经2-3个月前的事了耶。
这个比赛真是一波三折啦。元宵节比呢没比出高下，然后呢在他那个妈祖婆赏夜妈祖的生日的时候再比一次，又没有比出谁输谁赢，所以最后决定了佛祖生日再来一次，最后总决赛。
乐乐等的比赛
是的。
All right, there's a festival that took place a long time ago, and it originated during Lantern Festival, which is like 2-3 months ago. And they're supposed to do a lantern competition, but they were tied, and so they decided to have this competition again on Matsu's birthday, which is another deity. And then they hold it on Buddha's birthday finally, and it happens towards the end of this month for this year, okay? And it's the lantern competition, 就是花灯的对抗比赛啦。
对呀，对呀。
好有趣哦，这一定要去观赏一下。
超嘎。
顺便跟这个佛祖对 say happy birthday.
对耶。
Let's review some of these terms, all right? The township is 头份， and the date is on April 8th according to the lunar calendar. 4月8，
新月半，
and it's all about the lantern competition. How about the lantern? 花灯怎么说？
法灯。
How fun it is. And that's it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺是say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.